Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Amazon affiliate link on TikTok. So let's get right into it. So first of all guys, what we have to do is we have to go on Amazon. Here we will search what we want to add in our TikTok account. I want to add something in makeup. So this is the product I want to link in my account. We will hit on share button. And from here we will copy its link. Once you're done with it, then you have to go on TikTok. Then you have to go on your profile. Now hit on edit profile. Here in bio, you will add your link. Now paste the link that you copied. I've pasted the link of that product. Now I am going to save it by clicking this save button. As you can see guys, my link has been added. Let's check the profile. And that's it guys. How to add Amazon affiliate link on TikTok. If this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe. See you guys on the next one.